Hi everyone, in front of me I've got LENOVO Tab M8 4th generation, and let me share with you how to check IMEI number of this device. So let's start with the quickest way of checking the IMEI numbers by using a secret code. So we have to open the dialer and tap on the keypad and enter the code, which is *#06#. And as you can see at the bottom, at the top of this pop-out window, we've got the IMEI number of this device. Let's tap on OK and let's check it another way via the settings, which will be useful if for some reason the secret code won't work or you will forget about it. So let's enter the settings, and right here we have to scroll down to the very bottom to find the system. Now not the system, about tablet, sorry. Then let's scroll down, and as you can see in this section, the device details section, we've got the IMEI number of this device. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.